Creating a nesting study in Fusion 360 is fast, easy, and flexible. In the Manufacturer workspace, the Create Nest Study command allows you to set job quantities, review source shapes, packaging materials, and set calculation parameters. Once you click OK, the nesting algorithm will get to work nesting your parts based on the defined settings. You can always edit the nesting study to update any parameters. Once your nests are ready, right-click on any number of sheets, nests, or studies to compare the nested results. The Compare dialog gives a configurable overview of key metrics like cost and efficiency, as well as a preview of the nested sheets. You can configure the metrics and the sheet appearance in the upper right-hand corner of the Compare dialog. This quick and informative view can help with quoting jobs as well as making purchasing decisions for material and packaging. Reports offer a more in-depth and printable way to view nesting metrics, including the nest sources and packaging and their parameters, nested sheets, and sheet part summaries. Reports also offer configuration through report templates, and sections can be shown or hidden to adjust report length. Share and document nesting performance easily by saving the HTML report or printing to create a PDF or paper copy.